everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to start the new topic that is 18.8, what is potable water and how water is purified. So here's the given activity 18.7. Let's read it first. Let us construct a water filter with simple everyday materials. Take a plastic bottle and cut it into two halves at the center. Use the upper half as a funnel by putting it upside down in the lower half. Make layers in it with paper napkin or a fine cloth followed by cotton sand and then gravel. Now pour dirty water through the filter and observe the filtered water. Let's understand what we're gonna do in this activity. So we have to construct a water filter with simple everyday materials in this activity. So from the starting we have to take a plastic bottle and then we have to cut it into two halves at the center and then use the upper half as a funnel by putting it upside down in the lower half and then make layers in it with paper napkin then fine cloth followed by cotton sand and then gravel. Now we have to pour dirty water through the filter and then we have to finally observe the filtered water. Discuss the following questions amongst yourself with your teacher. First one is, why do we need to filter water before drinking? Then where do you get your drinking water from? Then what will happen if we drink polluted water? So we have to find out the answers of these questions, and these are very simple to understand. As we need to filter water before drinking because it's not hygienic, so we have to make it hygienic before drinking it. So we need to filter that one. So you can find all the two answers of the second question and the third question from Google, and you can make points for this. Then we have, Bhujo is very upset. He tells Paheli that he drank water which looked clear and was without any smell, but still he fell sick. So Paheli explains that water which looks clean may still have disease carrying microorganisms and dissolved impurities. So it is essential to purify water before drinking, for example by boiling. So water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. So what is meant by potable water? You can definitely define the definition here, which is water which is suitable for drinking and free of microorganisms is called potable water. You have seen how various physical and chemical process in the sewage treatment plants help to clean water before discharging it into water bodies. Similarly, municipal bodies treat the water before supplying it to households. So, we have covered the topic of potable water till here only, and then we will discuss the next paragraphs from the starting of Do You Know in the next video.